The lights came up on the pop star Billie Eilish and her older brother, producer, standing with their band on a bright set made to look like the planet-filled landscapes of the San Gabriel Mountains and Eaton Canyon in El Tadina. As Eilish waved through the buoyant love song, nostalgic photos of her and her sibling playing in the canyon as children played on screens behind them. At one point, cameras cut to Taylor Swift dancing along to the performance with Margaret Qualley. After singing her final notes, Eilish gave a shout out to her home city, I love you, LA. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more.